Why do millions of people live near Earth's most dangerous volcanoes? Let's find out. Imagine standing on the edge of a colossal crater, feeling the ground tremble beneath your feet. Welcome to Mount Vesuvius, the fiery giant that buried Pompeii in ash. Still active and menacing, Vesuvius is a stark reminder of nature's raw power. Next, let's jet off to Indonesia's Mount Merapi, aptly named Fire Mountain. Its frequent eruptions and pyroclastic flows make it one of the most hazardous volcanoes on the planet. The locals, they call it home. And who could forget Kilauea in Hawaii? This relentless powerhouse has been erupting almost continuously since 1983, reshaping the landscape with its molten lava. It's both a destructive force and a mesmerizing spectacle. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a curious traveler, remember these volcanic wonders are as deadly as they are beautiful. Stay safe and keep exploring.